session of SQL students. In today's session, we shall learn few more logical operators to be used in our SQL commands or queries. Okay. Well, the first example to be discussed was with how to make use the combination of and or logical and as well as or comparison operators. Okay, so in the following topic we will be discussing the usage of and or operator, how the both of these commands or operator can be used included in the query set. Okay, so there is a instance given in which situation what type of data is required and how we can make use of these two. Okay, to get data of customer code, customer name, customer city, customer country and grade from which table, customer table, with the following conditions. Which are the conditions you are observing? Two conditions you are finding. The informations, I hope you know that in the earlier discussion also we told or observed that from the customer table, whichever the column values are interested, only those we can specify here. So to get the data of code, name, city, country and grade from which table, customer table, with the following conditions. So first condition is customer country should be UK or customer city is London. Okay, the maybe the I mean why or is like, if the customer country is UK, fine. In case if the country is not UK but the city is London, that is also fine. So this is what with respect to two different attributes. Just check out here the customer country. Country column value is equal to UK they have given. In case if it is true, fine, we have to fetch the value of that customer. Or if the customer country is not UK, one more condition is checked whether in the same customer row whether the customer city is London. Yes, if it is true, okay, fine, to refer that customer value. Okay, so this can be either the country may be UK or the city may be London. This is one option, either any of the two may be true. But what is the second condition? And one more attribute has to be verified. What is that attribute? Grade. Grade of the customer must be other than 3. So it means what? It should not be 3. Other than 3, the grade has to be considered. So how to make use of the SQL statement? Okay. Let us observe the way it is being formed. So you have to remember the two conditions given, students. Check out here. We are supposed to make use of and as well as or combination. Okay, so select operation followed by, you observe that customer code has to be displayed, so customer code comma name has to be displayed, so customer name comma city has to be displayed, so customer city comma customer country has to be displayed, so customer country comma then grade also has to be shown, so grade. Then after specifying all the required column names, okay, then you have to mention the table name. So from which table? Customer table. And with the where clause, what is the condition we should specify? First condition, customer country may be UK, or if it is false, city should be London. So just check out here the parenthesis, students. So or conditions we have mentioned within parenthesis, where customer underscore country column name is equal to, it should be with what value? UK within single quotes. Or, so logical or you're finding customer city. So customer underscore city is equal to London. Either this one or this one. Any one of them may be true. Okay. Then and the grade should not be equal to 3. That is a condition we observed, right? Here grade of the customer must be other than 3. Must be other than 3 means what? It should not be equal to 3. See, and logical operator, and what is the column name? Grade. This is a symbol of not equal to. Okay, so not equal to, what is it? 3. It should be other than 3. It means what? Not equal to 3. Hope you are following this. So note down these query examples. So it will be easier for you to write the examples with the required queries. Okay. Now we shall discuss the combination of logical not and operator. Okay. In the following example, not and operator along with the SQL select statement is implemented. What is the example? So to get the data of customer code, customer name, customer city, customer country and grade from which table? Customer table with the following conditions. Yes. So what are those following conditions? These information has to be retrieved, and informations are what? Customer country must be India. Customer country with what value? India, and grade of the customer must be other than 3. Okay, so this should be equal to India and the grade not equal to 3. How to make use this? So it is somewhat found very simple. Concentrate only two conditions how to make use of not and. Okay, so just check out customer code. Select customer code, customer name, city, comma country, comma grade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 column information from keyword. Specify the table name customer. So we are supposed to provide the condition with the help of where clause. So where keyword. Then what is the first condition? Customer country must be India. So cust underscore country is equal to what? Within single quotes India. That and. So logical and. What should be the thing? Other than 3. Grade of the customer must be other than 3. So it means what? See, and this after this value customer country should be equal to India, and one more condition, not grade. Why the preceding to grade not you are observing? Because grade equal to 3 in case if it is there, here following to not, what is the value you are given? Grade equal to 3. So it is going to return false value. Not makes what? If grade equal to 3 is a row uh, which matches the grade value 3, then the not condition considers the false value. So grade should not be equal to 3. So only those customer tables are picked. So the customer country should be India. One more condition is what? With the grade column, whichever the grade value is not equal to 3, those customer uh, rows are picked. Okay, so what they have told, not equal to 3. In the previous example we showed grade, not equal to 3 symbol, right? Not equal to symbol. They have told you to use not symbol here, and logical not and, right? So this is how you can make use. Following to the equal value, grade equal to 3 is going to return true value. So true is converted to false with the help of which operator? Not operator. It means whichever the grade value is not equal to 3, then those rows are considered in case if the country value is matching to India. Okay, so hope you all followed this. We shall discuss the next one, that is logical not and comparison operator. So what is this? To get data of customer code, name, city, country or and grade from the customer table with these condition. I think it is repeated, student. That is grade of the, yes. Yes, here it is must be 3. The country is uh, just check out here, customer country should not be India, other than India, and grade of the customer must be what? 3. Whereas in the previous example, country value should be equal to India and the grade of the customer should not be equal to 3, right? So here the opposite to that. So how it is framed? Any guess here? See here. So for customer other than India, they have told. So customer country, for this not operator is used, and value is provided to uh, towards it is what, India. And one more condition, grade of the customer must be 3. So grade equal to 3. See here, this is a example where we are implementing not followed by and. What is it? Logical not. First we are applying logical not, then we are applying and. Whereas in our previous example, first and operator was applied and then following to that not was found. Okay, so the customer country is other than India. So select customer code, name, city, country, grade. From which table? Customer table. What is the condition? Where other than India. So use not operator, not logical not you are mentioning. Then following to that, what is the column name? Customer country equal to India. So if it is finding the country value India, then it is converting, not operator is converting to false value. It means other than the country India will be, those customer rows will be considered. And one more condition is checked, whether that rows or that customer rows grade value is equal to 3. And so and operator, grade of the customer must be 3. Must be means equal to 3. Grade equal to 3. Okay, so hope you all know the single quote implementation here, as it is a character data type and 3 is what the numeric data type. Okay, so this is an example where we observed not operator followed by and, whereas in the above what we found, and followed by not. Okay, where the customer country has to be India and grade other than 3, right? Yes. See, your custom must be other than 3. Yes, so and followed by not. These are the two variations. Now the discussion is logical multiple not operator. So we have discussed multiple and operator. Now the discussion is multiple not, how not operator can be used multiple times. Okay, so we will be now discussing the usage of multiple not operator, and in the following example more than one not operators with the SQL select statement have been used. Okay, observe the example part. To get data of customer code, customer name, city, country and grade from the customer table with the following conditions. What are those conditions? So three conditions are given, and for all these conditions we are making use of not operators. Customer country is other than India. Other than India. And customer city must be other than London. So country should not be equal to India, the meaning here. And if it is not equal to India, country is other than India means the city should be whatever the city of verifying with any other country, if it is observing, the city must be other than London. So London is present in which country? That is UK, and within that other than London city, that is the meaning. And grade of the customer must be other than 1. So it means what, again if London is satisfied, the grade should not be equal to 1. It should not be equal to 1 other than 1. Okay, so this is what the requirement. Well, the following SQL statement can be used. So with the help of select operation or statement, we are making use of trying to list what are the things we should view. Customer code, customer name, followed by customer city, then country and grade. From which table? From customer table. So provide the which condition, where condition with the help of where clause. What is the first one? Customer country is other than India. So customer country other than India. So not operator you should use, but true value equal to India you should mention, and preceding to that which operator should be used? Not. So true value, what is that? Country equal to true, and if you provide not preceding to that, this condition true will be converted to false, or considered false value will be made by the not operator. The meaning is the country should be other than India. So if we pass equal to value, it will be not operator will be converting that equal to which one? Not equal to. It means what? False value it is converting. Okay, so this is how we made the query to consider the customer country other than India. Okay, so if you add logical not operator, this other India, if it is observing, it does not consider that row. Instead, it goes for false value. Other than India, whichever the other country values it is there, it has to consider that. Okay, fine. What was the second condition? And customer city must be other than London. So again, and okay, fine. Customer country equal to what? Not equal to India. This we made with the help of not and. Customer city equal to London. So again, what if it is observing and customer city equal to London. So city should not be London. So true value you are passing, and by proceeding to that you are adding logical not, so which considers the false value other than London city it observes. So here the country should not be India, as well as the city should not be which one? London. Okay, so both the things will be verified. Okay, and one more condition, and grade equal to, sorry, the grade of the customer must be other than 1. So if we pass 1, it will be converting to, if we give true value, the not operator will convert it to false value, that is other than 1 it considers. So grade preceding to that you are mentioning not. So see here, country value you are making false, city value you are making false, grade value you are making false. By adding or preceding to the column name or the condition, we are using the not operator. So where it is making the false value other than India, other than London, other than grade 1. So all these three things has to be true. See, and operator is added, right? So it means what? This condition other than India it should be, and the city should be other than London, and grade should be other than 1. Is that clear? So this is how we can make use of multiple not operators with the help of and. Okay. So now how to consider with multiple not operator with equal to operator also. Okay. So just check out here. In the following example, more than one not operators and comparison operator, that is equal to. Equal to is considered to be as a comparison operator, right? Greater than, less than, less than equal to, right? Yes, with the SQL select statement, how it is used, just check out. To get data of customer code, customer name, city, country and grade from the customer table with the following conditions. So if these three conditions has to be, these five conditions has to be fetched from the customer table. Along with that, some conditions has to be looked into. What is it? Customer country should be other than India. So here we are making use of not operator. And customer city must be other than London. So here also not operator we are making use. And grade of the customer must be 1. So it means what? Equal to 1. Grade should be equal to 1. Comparison operator. The following SQL statement can be used. So it is simple, students. Observe. Select customer code, comma customer name, comma customer city, comma customer country, comma grade. These attribute values from which table? Customer table. Add the condition with the help of where clause, that is customer country should be other than India, right? So we are making use of logical not operator, not customer country equal to India. And again one more condition has to be what satisfied, and that condition, for that condition we are making use of and operator, which is the second condition. Customer city equal to London, other than London. So other than London, to make we are preceding that city value with not operator. Yes, and one more three conditions has to be satisfied. So one more with and operator, the grade should be equal to 1. Must be equal to means 1 means comparison operator equal to is used. Okay, so by this, the customer information whose country value is other than India and whose city is other than London and whose grade equal to 1, those customer details are displayed for the user. Now, one more example. SQL logical not and or operator. So not along with or operator. So till now in our previous example we used not, logical not and operator, right? Let us observe how or operators are also included for which type of conditions. Okay, to get data of customer code, name, city, country and grade from which table? Again customer table with these conditions. What are those? Customer country is not other than UK. Is not other than UK. It means what? It should be UK. Country should be UK. Or another one. In case if the country is not, if it is not equal to UK, okay, or if it means what? There is no customer with belonging to UK country. Or let us check whether this kind of values exist. Customer city must be other than Bangalore. Okay. So city at least should be what? Must be other than Bangalore. It should not be equal to Bangalore. So customers from Bangalore should not be considered. Okay. Fine. And so here either one or two. Among these two, any one of them may be true. But the third condition is must. What is that? Grade of the customer must be greater than 1. So grade has to be greater than 1, other than 1. Observe the code now. Select operation followed by customer code, name, city, comma, country, comma, grade. These has to be displayed from which table? Customer table. And what should be the condition? 3 conditions, right? So where the country should not be which one? UK. See here, customer country equal to UK, it should make false. Or customer city equal to Bangalore. Why it is found in parenthesis? Because students, the condition was, see, customer country is not other than UK. So other than is not other than UK. Customer country equal to UK. If it is not UK, okay, is not other than UK, or city must be other than Bangalore, or customer city other than Bangalore equal to Bangalore. If either one of them is true, if it is equal to UK, see here, let us consider the first case. If customer country equal to UK, if this is true, it doesn't go to check the second or condition only. It makes it false here. So other than the country other than UK, it is going to consider. It makes it false. Or if the customer country is not equal to UK, it checks for the other condition whether the city is equal to Bangalore. Yes, if it observed city equal to Bangalore, what it does, it makes the false value. So other than Bangalore city, those customer values are considered. Okay, that is a meaning. And grade of the customer must be greater than 1. So and with the logical and, what should be? Grade comparison operator. Grade should be greater than 1. Grade greater than 1 symbol. Okay, observe here. Customer country equal to UK. If it finds customer country equal to UK, then it makes it what? False value. That is customer country whose country is not UK. It consider that. Suppose if the customer country is other than UK, it observes, then it goes for other condition, that is customer city is Bangalore, and third condition grade greater than 1. Okay, so like this we have to observe or analyze the conditions, and based on the conditions we can implement the logical operators to retrieve the information from the table. Okay. Well, students, in our next session, we'll be discussing few more topics. And with this discussion, I'll end my session. Thank you.